Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: respect. Whether it's in our personal or professional lives, earning respect is crucial for our well-being and success. So let's explore 5 scientifically backed ways to get more respect. 1. Maintain positive body language. Research shows that nonverbal communication can often speak louder than words. One way to garner respect is by maintaining positive body language. This includes standing tall, making eye contact, and using open gestures. When we project confidence and openness, others are more likely to perceive us as worthy of respect. 2. Practice active listening. Another powerful way to earn respect is through active listening. This means giving our full attention to others, truly hearing what they have to say, and responding thoughtfully. Studies have shown that people feel more respected and valued when they feel heard. So, let's put down our devices, maintain eye contact, and engage fully in conversations. 3. Demonstrate competence. Competence breeds respect. Whether it's in our professional skills or personal capabilities, demonstrating competence is key. Take the time to hone your skills, stay informed in your field, and showcase your expertise when appropriate. When others see that you're capable and knowledgeable, they're more likely to respect your contributions. 4. Set boundaries. Respect often starts with ourselves. Setting clear boundaries is essential for establishing how we expect to be treated by others. Whether it's in personal relationships or the workplace, communicating our boundaries effectively can earn us respect. Remember, it's okay to say no when something doesn't align with our values or needs. 5. Show respect to others. Last but certainly not least, respect begets respect. Treat others with kindness, empathy, and consideration. Research has shown that when we show respect to others, it's often reciprocated. By fostering a culture of respect in our interactions, we can create positive relationships built on mutual admiration. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 scientifically backed ways to earn more respect in your life. Remember, respect is not something we demand, but something we earn through our actions and demeanor. By implementing these strategies, we can cultivate a culture of respect and positivity wherever we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.